Om Sai Ram. Happy Thursday to all. Patience with family is love. Patience with others is respect. Patience with self is confidence. Patience with Sai is faith. Sai says, I am going to restore your health, your finance, your peace, your sleep, and your joy. Just have faith and patience. These two coins will do many miracles in your life. In today's video, we will be going through the story of two more devotees who were drawn to Shirdi by Baba. Kushal Chand of Rehta. It is said that a dream which we get in the wee hours of the morning generally comes out true in the waking state. This may be so, but regarding Baba's dream, there is no restrictions of time. To quote an instance, Baba told Kaka Sahib Dikshit one afternoon to go to Rehta and fetch Kushal Chand to Shirdi, as he had not seen him since long. Kaka Sahib accordingly took a tonga and went to Rehta. He met Kushal Chand and gave him Baba's message. On hearing it, Kushal Chand was surprised and said that while he was taking a noon nap after meals, Baba appeared in his dream and asked him to come to Shirdi immediately, and that he was anxious to go. As he had no horse of his own nearby, he had sent his son to inform Baba. When his son was just out of the village border, Dikshit's tonga turned up. Dikshit then said that he was sent specially to bring him. Then they both went in the tonga back to Shirdi. Kushal Chand saw Baba and all were pleased. Seeing this Leela of Baba, Kushal Chand was much moved. Ramalal Punjabi of Mumbai. Once a Punjabi Brahmin of Mumbai named Ramalal got a dream in which Baba appeared and asked him to come to Shirdi. Baba appeared to him as Mahant, but he did not know his whereabouts. He thought that he should go and see him, but as he did not have his address, he did not know what to do. But he who calls anybody to him also makes the necessary arrangement for the same. The same thing happened in this case. The same afternoon, when he was strolling in the street, he saw a picture of Baba in a shop. The feature of the Mahant he saw earlier in the dream tallied exactly with those of the picture. Then on making enquiries, he came to know that the picture was of Sai Baba of Shirdi. He went soon after this to Shirdi and stayed there till his death. In this way, Baba brought his devotees to Shirdi for darshan and satisfied their wants, material as well as spiritual. Bow to Sri Sai, peace be to all. Subscribe my channel, comment, do like and share. Thank you.